On Christmas Eve, the North Pole buzzed with excitement. But Ellie, a young and vibrant elf with twinkling eyes and a green woolen hat, noticed something unsettling. The Christmas star, which guided Santa's sleigh across the world, was dimming. Aware of the looming catastrophe that could disrupt the magical flight, Ellie realized she had to act fast. Ellie's best friend, Dash, a cheerful and adventurous reindeer in training with a mischievous grin, noticed her worried expression. After a quick conversation, they came to a shared decision. They needed to find the crystal spark, a magical shard known to reignite the Christmas star's glow. The journey would take them through the treacherous terrain of the starry peaks, but there was no time to waste. Setting off with confidence and determination, Ellie and Dash encountered their first challenge, an icy avalanche that seemed impassable. Using her quick thinking, Ellie devised a plan to slide across safely with Dash's help, showcasing their combined agility. As they reached the foot of the peaks, mischievous snow sprites, notorious for leading travelers astray, danced around them. Ellie knew that kindness could win over these little troublemakers, so she offered them sweet berries, winning their trust and a safe path forward. The most daunting challenge was a deep, dark chasm. At first glance, it seemed impossible to cross. Ellie and Dash pondered and brainstormed, embodying teamwork at its finest. Eventually, they constructed a makeshift bridge using fallen logs and vines, fueled by their shared spirit and Dash's newly discovered ability to fly short distances. Their perseverance and unity paid off when they finally reached the peak and found the crystal spark gleaming in a hidden cave. Ellie held it with awe, understanding its importance, and carefully placed it back into the Christmas star's nook, watching as the dim light grew to a dazzling brilliance. Just in time for Santa's flight, the Christmas star shone brightly once more. Santa arrived to commend their bravery and ingenuity. Ellie and Dash learned that anything was possible with courage, collaboration, and kindness. Christmas morning arrived with joy and laughter, and every child awoke to the wonder of a magical morning, thanks to the unsung heroes, the small yet mighty elf Ellie and her brave reindeer friend, Dash.